Hey, it's Dave Rexrod. I've got a forecast here for you. The storms from last night have moved to the East Coast, and behind all that, it's gotten real chilly. Look what happens in Detroit overnight. Mostly clear and down to 49. Now, that'll be the warmest temperature around. So in the suburbs, we're talking low to mid 40s. Probably a jacket for the kids at the bus stop in the morning, especially those young ones. Tomorrow, 68 for a high. I don't think anybody makes it to 70 or higher, even though it's nice and bright, partly to mostly sunny. That means just a few clouds here and there. Wind tries to even help by turning to the south-southwest, but that's not enough. 68 on Friday, partly sunny. And then the sun is not such an issue over the weekend. There's a slight chance of a shower Sunday, especially late. But look at the numbers, starting in the 40s, mid to upper 40s, with highs, which look like lows, in the 63 to 64 range, even cooler on the north and east side. So that's a pretty tough, chilly weekend. Grab the jackets, keep them handy. Kind of feels like football should be played. Oh, it is. And then next week, as we warm it up a little bit, better chances for rain.